How to fix no sound on Instagram stories and posts on Android? This tutorial covers the most common reasons audio stops working and how to get it back. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap on any story or post that should have sound and check if the mute icon is showing in the corner. If it is, tap it once to unmute. This is the most common reason sound doesn't play, especially after switching between videos. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and make sure your device isn't on silent or vibrate mode. At this point, check your media volume specifically by pressing the volume buttons on the side of your device, since Instagram uses media volume rather than ringer volume. Following this, if sound is still missing, check whether your phone is connected to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones that might be disconnected or out of range. From here, if none of that fixes it, long press the Instagram app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this stage, tap Force Stop to close the app completely, then tap OK to confirm. Following this, go into Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be interfering with audio playback. Once that's done, reopen Instagram and test a story or post that previously had sound. If the issue is still there, open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and install the update if one is available. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to give your device a fresh start. Keep in mind, if only one specific video has no sound, the issue is likely with that original clip and not your device at all. That's how you fix no sound on Instagram stories and posts. If this got your audio working again, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.